In this module, we are going to look at the various data storage options that are available with Android. So there are 5 data storage options that are available. One is the shared preferences. Second, SQLite. Third, file storage. Fourth, content providers. And fifth, cloud storage. Let's go to them one by one. The first one, shared preferences. Shared preferences is a category or a data storage option wherein developers generally store information related to application preferences, such as whether the application is used in light mode or dark mode, etc. The data is stored in format of key value pairs. So you have a key and you have a value associated to it. Usually it is stored in XML files. Shared preferences is generally used to store some non-sensitive data. However, developers make mistakes and they store sensitive information on these shared preferences, which any attacker can access it. In order to protect shared preferences, a developer must always use some encrypted form in order to encrypt the data and then store it inside shared preferences. The second one is SQLite. SQLite is used to store private data for the app. The data stored over here is in a structured format. So the data stored over here might be related to the application's internal data or application's users' data. Or let's say there's an e-commerce application wherein you can add items in the cart and then you can make payments. All of these information will be stored in SQLite. File storage. File storage is another type of data storage option that is available with Android, wherein you can use and store data inside memory cards or SD cards. File storage option is something that is very dangerous because any attacker can remove your SD card, insert it into his or her phone, and then can reclaim or read the particular data. Hence, it is noted or it is recommended that you should not use or store sensitive data in memory card or SD card. The fourth one is the content providers. Content providers are used to store semi-structured data with user configurable data access. You usually use the content app Android component, which allows you to retrieve and store data inside the content providers. The fifth option is the one that is more frequently used or used multiple times. It is the cloud storage option. Now, there are some databases such as Firebase database, MySQL, etc. that allows you or that gives you the access to store data on cloud. So these are third-party data storage options developed by, let's say Firebase is developed by Google. MySQL is another such storage option wherein you can call or store data using an API that is already allocated to you whenever you set up your Firebase storage or MySQL storage. You can use the API and call and store data inside these cloud storage options. So these are the 5 cloud storage options that Android provides you with. You can use any one of them. So that's it for this particular video. I hope you understood about the Android data storage options. Thank you.